O kaulanay kalayo ka ilio o kaluko inohoi o halawan nohoi nui na mea kaulan na makia ay nani akao ka mea kaulan aloa o ko mola ka ikakuli o me mola ka inui a hina ano leila mahalo ya o ko e ko mola ka inui a hina okay ako na this last melody is written by Andy Collins, a song of love. We feature once again, one more time, our mo'o over here, Halau ke Alo Kamaile in the center. And my cousin, Hinohea Khan in Misalo Hula 2009.
Just don't call me what?
Hi! Icha-cha! Hi! You're coming up next and they're gonna
rocky socks that will make your baby knees all shaky. They go in. See, look. Yeah. See, all I gotta do is mention Beverly's and boom, gotta look.
Love you. Don't hit me with your stick. The one that comes. Oh, sorry, this is family show. Sorry. Okay. We never planned for Hanoho, so anything in particular? You like he want song, you like he want chant, what?
So what about G-rated one?
Huh?
I have
Oh,
mic
no,
now.